In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buy one, get one free on Shopify. First, sign into your Shopify admin so you're on your store's dashboard. From here, head to the Apps section. We're going to add an app that powers free gifts and BOGO promotions. In the app search, look for Monk, free gift with purchase. Then open its listing and click Install. Follow the prompts in Shopify to confirm the installation. If you see an option to activate a free trial, go ahead and activate it, and then approve the charge screen to proceed. Don't worry, this is a standard Shopify approval step so the app can run on your store. Once the app opens, click Create Offer. If you're taken through onboarding, you may see that button more than once. Just choose Create Offer again to start building your promotion. On the Offer Type screen, choose the section for gifts, shipping, and cart goals, then pick the option to custom build your offer. After onboarding finishes, choose Free Gift and select the template that says Buy X, get one more of the same item free, BOGO. Click Next to Continue. Give your offer a clear internal name so you can recognize it later. Something like BOGO Long Sleeve works well. Click Next. Now set the trigger so Shopify knows when to apply the free item. Choose Specific Collection if your BOGO should only apply to items in a particular collection. Select the collection you want to use and click Add. If your BOGO is meant for a single product, you can select that product here as well. For a classic BOGO on the same item, choose the same product as the reward so the free unit matches what the customer buys. Add that selection and proceed by clicking Next. Review your settings and click Save. That publishes the offer inside the app so it can run on your storefront. A couple of quick tips to make sure everything runs smoothly. Confirm that the products included in the BOGO have inventory available, especially if they have multiple variants like size or color. If your store uses other discounts, check your discount stacking rules so customers don't unintentionally combine promotions. Finally, preview your store and add an eligible item to the cart to verify that the free product is added automatically when the conditions are met. That's it. Your buy one, get one free offer is now live through the app. Save your changes, keep an eye on performance, and you can return to the app anytime to edit, pause, or duplicate the offer for future campaigns.